Hi Aries, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to do your reading from 10th of August to 16th of August. Alright, so we'll see what are the guidance messages for you for the coming week. For those who are new to my channel, a warm welcome to you all, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider subscribing and hit the bell notification icon as well, so that you will be able to get updated about my latest videos. Alright, so let's get started with my Aries now for the week from 10th to 16th of August. Please, what are the guidance messages for my Aries for the coming week? I'll be looking at your past energies, present and future energies. Alright, so let's see. Last shuffle. Let's see. At the back of the deck, it's the High Priestess. Let's see, what is this? Okay, so in the middle of the reading, you got the High Priest as well. So the High Priestess with the High Priest, both are together. Alright, so this might be regarding something which you know, some kind of an intuition which you already know, and you are just waiting for the perfect timing. Basically, that is something. This is regarding that. Your past energies are 10 of Pentacles, 8 of Swords, and the Lovers. Alright, so I'm seeing over here that there was something really good. Everything was fine, happy families or something. But there was a person, might be you, might be them, but there was a person who was feeling trapped, feeling like I am not able to do what I actually wanted to do. In that case, it might be you or might be them, whosoever this is. Your present energies are Knight of Swords, the High Priest, and Page of Cups. So what happened after that? That some kind of thought came to you really fast, and it is at the present. So whosoever this is, that thought process really came fast, and with that thought process, whatever this is more of regarding like you are trapped in a particular relationship and you actually want to move on towards something more stable. So that is why the High Priest is also here. But this might not be regarding two love cases, but it is more of a situation where somebody wanted to just let go of the happy family or something, because that person was feeling trapped. Because I see that it might be you, because of your fire energy. You cannot just stay over at one place, and whosoever wants to trap you, whosoever wants to be like you are mine only, and so you actually start feeling like I really cannot stay over here. So that is why might be some kind of a person, might be a water sign, might have come towards you and have offered to you something more stable. All right, a more of that marriage offer might be. So for some of you, but some of you, it is regarding that you just left that particular situation because it was actually making you feel trapped, and you are moving towards something more stable, or let's say some kind of your work, that is something more you would feel more emotional towards a person or work, whatever this is. Your future energies are 5 of Cups, 9 of Swords, and 3 of Rods. So I'm seeing over here, whosoever this person was who actually left that situation is now, will be later, will start feeling that loss, will be start feeling like, oh my god, what have I done with this person? That person really loved me and I couldn't even see because we were such a happy family. So this is more, it is just, I'm seeing that more of a situation where the person was just feeling trapped, not more than, not a third party situation, no. It was just, I just want to roam, I just want to enjoy my life, I just want to be a person, a teenager, basically 13 to 15 years of age. How do they behave? This is how this person wants to behave again. Stop being mature. That is what is happening. And this person really, whosoever this person is, but I'm seeing that again this person is waiting for you, or you might be waiting for them. So whosoever ever this person is, let's clarify. Let's see, what is this High Priestess over here in the overall energy? What is the High Priestess? The overall energy of Aries. So many cards, I'm not going to take them. What is this High Priestess? Why is it here? Why is the High Priestess over here as the overall energy? Please cards, let me know. Sorry. Alright. See, 10 of Pentacles and 8 of Swords appeared again, and that too together like this in your past energies. Same, 10 of Pentacles and 8 of Swords. Alright, so this is something I'm feeling that this is more of your energy, because you want to go something where you get not stability, but victory, success. Might be some kind of a new job, or recognition, a promotion. So you are feeling trapped that okay, so I won't be able to be with my family as well as go to my work. So that is a confusing place where you started feeling that I cannot achieve both the situations. I have to just focus on something right now which is more of a situation where I would find success, I would find victory of a situation. That is why you want to be released. You just want to you want to be released and move towards your success. So let's see, what is this 8 of Swords in your past energies? Why is this 8 of Swords here? Why is this 8 of Swords here? Oh yes, there are so many cards. Let's see, why is this 8 of Swords here? Alright, so we have 4 of Swords, 3 of Wands and King of Swords. Okay. Yeah. So this thing, this trapping energy, this thing actually made someone, started feeling sick, started feeling what I am doing with my life. I am not here to just make my family happy, to just serve some people. This might look bad, but it is more of an energy where you just want to enjoy your life, you want to be independent. So whosoever this is, he or she started feeling really trapped, and what they did, they actually left that situation. And there was a state where this person started to feel that I am feeling sick, what I am doing with my life, I am not able to move. This kind of an energy where this person was feeling that career wise I'm not able to progress in my life, what I am doing. But that is why this person started feeling that I should invest my energy where I can get the rewards. And what are those rewards? The 6 of Wands. And that is why this person took a decision. It was a really harsh decision, whosoever this decision, whosoever took this decision, it was really hard for them as well. But yes, they were clear in this thing. They were clear that no more emotions involved. I just want to focus on, this person took a practical step towards it. I'm not saying that there was no love. There was love. There was a lot of love. But practically thinking, this person took this decision for, for a growth, for a change. Let's see, why is this lovers here in the past energies? Why is the lovers here? Two of Wands, Five of Wands, and Ten of Wands. So there was love, but what actually the other person started to feel that I am not able to decide. I'm in between the crossroads. I have to take a decision, and this decision was this only, that because of all those conflicts, some kind of conflict started, like some kind of argument. I'm seeing some kind of arguments started, and all of a sudden everything just finished. Everything finished, and this person was out of your life, or you were out of their life. Let's see, why is this Knight of Swords in your present energy? Why is this Knight of Swords over here in the present? Seven of Wands and Five of, okay, so Seven of Wands and Five of Cups. What is this with Knights? Yes, so this person took a step. Okay, so this person took a step. This person stood for himself, and by doing this thing, by taking a step for yourself, what actually happened? The other person felt alone. The other person was alone, and the other person was grieving. Basically what happened over here is that whatever happened, it was really fast, and the other person couldn't expect like what actually happened. This was like, we were like happy family, happy couple, and all of a sudden what happened? I didn't expect this thing. So this is what happened. That person or you just took a step, like I cannot be over here. I have to go to some place where I am more stable. I am like a successful person. I can see the victory. I want money, I want fame. That kind of a stand somebody took over here. Let's see, why is the High Priest over here in your present scenario? The Star, and what else? Four of Wands. Okay, so it can be a marriage between both of you, or this person or you might have gone towards something which made you more which actually you were like, I am stable in this energy. Okay, sorry, yeah, I thought the camera is off. Oh my god. Okay, so yeah, I was saying that this is a place where one person had a lot of hopes that this person might come back, might reconciliation happen, might, but the other person was no. This person was thinking that no, I cannot be over here. I have to take a stand. I have to pursue what I actually want. For some of you, only just a percentage of you, this might be might involve to someone who is either you or them might go towards someone with leaving one family and going towards another family to start a new family. So that is what I'm seeing. For just some of you, there is a third party over here, but for majority it is more of a success. It is more of a money, career oriented thing. Let's see, why is this Page of Cups over here? Knight of Pentacles, strength and the world. So this thing is not going very far for you. They are going to come back. If it's them who went, so they are going to come back. They are not, they are just a knight of, they are behaving like Knight of Pentacles, who just went towards something which started making them, very much excited, very much oh wow, this is something new, I really want to try. So they are just excited because they are just behaving like a page right now. The page energy is just a kiddish energy, where this person just, how children react to certain situations, like I want this, I want that, but after some time it is just a temporary basis. So this person is going to come back. And the timing has been started. Might give you a call or a message, because I'm seeing that it's more of their energy. They left. Alright, so let's see who is sad over here in the future. 5 of Cups with the King of Pentacles. Okay, what else? Queen of Pentacles and 5 of Swords. Alright, so this is some kind of energy where you both are meant for each other. King of Pentacles with the Queen of Pentacles, but there is so much of fights involved, there's so much of sadness involved, that sometimes you start to feel that you're not even meant for each other. But it is an energy where you both are for each other forever. A very divine relationship, a very divine couple this is. But I'm seeing that this is coming back, this thing is coming back. Let's see what is 3 of Wands in this side, in your future energies. Why is this 3 of Wands here? What is this 3 of Wands? Let's see. Oh my god. Let's see. Sorry. Okay, so I've got the Tower, 9 of Wands and 2 of Pentacles. See, whatever this thing is, it is going to come back. You both are just revolving in cycles. It is just an infinity cycle where both are going to come back towards each other and are going to meet this person. But now I'm seeing that it's you who is you might block this person. You might even start to fight with this person, like, why did you do this? So what after that? What after this fight? What will happen? The Lovers and Death. Alright, so this change was actually needed. This change is that kind of change where you both have parted ways, different ways, and you both are not together because you both have some lessons to learn. This person went to some other direction and you went to some other direction to meet again. So this is that energy, this is that relationship where this person needs to learn some lessons, and you also need to learn some lessons. So that is why you are parted right now, so that you will be back together. Okay, so I think I did a reading of yours, the divine timing one. It's the same, the energies actually started that kind of energy. It just the end was like that only, that you are separated because of some issues, but at the end you are back together because to learn some lessons in your life. Alright, so let's see what the universe has for you regarding the situation. Anything, any such message for my Aries, any advice for my Aries from the universe, please. Let's see. What else do we have? Okay, I'll take the. Okay, so this is a bond which is really hard, which will be really hard to just let go. It's not going to just, you are not going to leave this person. That is what the universe also telling. With the Four of Swords, this is the healing period for you both, and you both have to learn some lessons of your life. That is why with the Devil it has come up that this attraction of yours will be forever, but you really need to heal yourself. You really need to understand something. Might be anything, you know. Some lessons are just come when both of you are, you know, in different paths. And this Knight of Rods, yes, so this is going to come fast. Don't worry, it's coming. All right, so that's all Aries from my side. I hope it helps, and we'll meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.